Hi, baby. How are you doing? Hi. You want to be on camera too? Do you want to look at the look in the camera? Look in the camera. You want to be on camera too? It's going to be a little bit harder to do video commentary if you're on my lap there, buddy. Just look over here. Look right here. Right. There's a squirrel on the camera. There's a squirrel on the camera. Yeah. There's a squirrel on that camera. Get that squirrel. Get that squirrel. Go get that squirrel. Hi. Not you. Hey, down in front. I don't know if I want to do this with my dog on my lap. Oh, you're going to sit down now. Alright, fine. Hi YouTube, my name is Joe and this is my channel. Thank you for watching my video. This is Makeda. She's my 2-year-old Sheltie, who you'll be seeing in this next video. While I was going through some of my videos, I found a video I took earlier this year in February, back when we got back-to-back blizzards. Just looking at the video made me tired, remembering all the shoveling I had to do. I had a snowblower, but it broke down halfway through the first snow. Makeda didn't think it was fun either, and you'll see why. Ready to go out? Huh? Alright. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Oh, I got a snowflake in my eyeball. You having fun yet? Go on. Make a snowball for Makeda. A snowball. You want the snowball? You want the snowball? You want the snowball? Do you want the snowball? Alright. Go get it. Too much snow. Alright, it's February 2000. It is Friday the 5th. And it is snowing. I've just come in from digging an area for Makeda. And our little snow dog is covered with snow. I don't even think she did her business. I guess we'll wait a little bit and go back out again. Alright, it's 7:37, February 2010, the day after it started snowing. It's Saturday the 6th. And it is a mess. And it's still snowing. Let me white balance here. There we go. I don't know if you can really get a sense for how deep this really is, but if you get it down to Makeda's level, oh, poor Makeda. She woke me up to go pee. I guess I'm gonna have to shovel something quick, huh, baby? Son of a gun. Shit. Alright, February 2010, Saturday the 6th at say 5:40. There's my puppy. I was able to get the snowblower working, and then I got all the way around the corner and the chute on top stopped, or just kind of came apart, and now I've stopped to fix it. But it works. It works. The snow is a little bit deep for it, but it works. And this is deep snow. I don't know if you can see this. I'll come over here. Yeah, I'm shooting into the what sunlight we have, but here's my knee, and there's the snow. Kate is grateful for the snowblower because she was able to relieve herself. Never eat yellow snow. Is that the old adage? All right. And just there's the back part of the house. See my icicles forming? These are pretty big icicles. And I got all the way around here and sort of out to the corner of the house. And that's when the chutes failed on me, so I better fix it before the sun goes down. It's 6:50 p.m. on the 6th of February 2010. Probably get tired of me saying that, but that's the crescent sheep path I dug all the way out. I should probably go close that gate. But what do you think of all this snow, Makita, huh? Looks like I'm growing some icicles there. Alright, it's still February 2010. Today is actually the 10th. Wednesday the 10th. And about an hour ago, 4 o'clock, it started snowing again. This time we're supposed to be getting another 15 to 20 inches or so. They said 10 to 20. So everything's getting white again and piling up. big mess of everything. Oh. Let's see if we can get what temperature is. And it looks to be about 30 out there. A little hair above 30. The wind got up a little while ago, real bad as it blew through. Now this is a blizzard. Oh my gosh. The winds are really getting up on this one. The trees are dancing and the snow is blowing. Oh my gosh. Alright, thank you for watching. My name is Joe, and please do me a favor and subscribe. It's really easy. Just click on the button and you're done. So, see you next time. That should do it. That'll do, dog. That'll do.